Hello guys, this is Zach from How to Trade and I'm glad to welcome you to our new video. And today, as always, we're going to make two new deals with our currency pairs, and also we're going to talk about the topic we talked about in the last video. It's the topic of trading escalators, and I'm sure you will get to know some more very important things that will help you to understand the world of trading better. And right now, guys, as always, we're going to start with our first currency pair for today. And our first currency pair for today is the pair of Euro and Canadian dollar. So I think we should just start as we always do. Our pair started from a historical maximum, after which there was a period of instability with ups and downs, after which there was a gradual decline, and now we see how our pair is gradually starting to grow in price again. And I want to point out the continuation of this growth. Personally, I just love working with this pair, and in our sessions I often work with the pair of Euro and Canadian dollar, so I'm sure it will give us the profit we all want and need. So now, guys, while our deal is going, let's keep talking about our topic for today, and now we will talk about the market escalators. While conventional escalators are designed to work with any asset, there is a whole class of market escalators that are typically used to analyze indices such as the CP 500 rather than individual assets. Thus, both the mood of the market participants and its current volatility are analyzed. However, no one bothers to use many of them with currency pairs. Just remember that at the heart of their creation is the desire to analyze exactly the market segments. Now to volatility indices. Indices that show the volatility of a particular market. At the same time, by the way, many of these indices are themselves traded on stock exchanges. One of the most famous is the CBOE Volatility Index, VIX. Displays market expectations on a 30-day scale and consists of the volatility of a range of index call and put options for the CP 500. Moreover, the larger the value of this index, the greater the market risks. As a rule, volatility indices are the indices themselves negatively correlate with each other. If all is well and prices in the market rise, the level of risk falls, so the volatility index decreases. When the market falls, then accordingly the risks grow. However, not everyone works with these indices. In binary and Forex, this is rather rare case. Therefore, to predict other assets, say currency pairs, synthetic VIX oscillator are used. One of the most famous is the VIX Fix indicator by Larry Williams. By the way, it is also the most popular indicator in TradingView. Now, advanced decline line. Another popular market oscillator is ADL, aka advanced decline line, used by professional traders for decades. The essence of the indicator is comparison of the general direction of price movement. When applied to currencies, the indicator compares the number of up candles with the down candles. Then the second number is subtracted from the first and the total value is formed. Let's say if yesterday the total value was conditionally 100 and the price went up by 5 candles more than down, 5 is added to the value of 100 and ADL. 105 is obtained. In fact, market trends and divergences are determined using ADL. The main signal is when the ADL movement does not coincide with the price movement and thus anticipates a change in the market trend. So guys, believe me, once you understand this topic, once it becomes familiar for you, trading will be much different for you because you will understand exactly how the trading is working. And that is exactly why we are here. And now, guys, I'm very happy to say that our first currency pair gave us the result we want. And I would like to remind you once again that you should not forget to subscribe to the channel. You should not forget to leave the like and a comment, because for me it's always such a pleasure to see your activity. And most importantly, you should not forget about the opportunity to follow the link down in the description down below, which will give you the opportunity to join our VIP channel where people are getting 8 accurate signals per day, and it gives them the opportunity to make more money in trading and make trading become not just a hobby but a profession that helps you to get money you can live with. And now guys, it's time to get to our second currency pair for today, and this will be the pair of euro and British pounds. So let's get to the technical analysis of this pair. And now guys, as you can see on your screen, that after reached a historical low, our pair began to grow sharply and reached maximum values. It was a historical maximum, after which there was a fairly long period of steady decline with small rises, which then went down anyway. And now, having reached the minimum values again, almost a historical minimum, our pair has grown in price. And now I expect to see a new drop, another one after our pair reached the resistance line. So let's point to a further drop. It is quite an interesting pair to work with, because as you can see that even though our pair has headed drops and ups, but it was steady. So let's point to the further drop again. And now guys, let's finish our topic for today. Let's finish the topic of trading escalators, and I'm sure it gave us the result we want, because we wanted to get some knowledge, and I'm sure we got it. And now let's talk about the proper development of the escalator. My favorite escalator to complement no indicator trading is definitely stochastic, which sometimes help with sideways price movement. However, it took me over a year to learn how to use it. Every day I searched the price history for situations where the stochastic worked and where it didn't. It took many screenshots of its behavior in various situations. I practiced it constantly, combined it with various elements of both technical analysis and non-indicator trading. Only after this time did it start to work out for me. It became clear where the escalators work best, and where it is generally useless and you cannot add it to the chart. Remember, any tools needs to be worked out to perfection. New buyers have a different story. They put the escalator, it is more often wrong that it gives accurate predictions. This is how it should be. Otherwise, any first grader could be engaged in trading. Only after you have gained enough experience will you be able to use the escalators as a reliable assistant, and not earlier. No need to be lazy. Practice the instrument until it squeaks and becomes your favorite, just like that. So guys, as we always say, the trading is for someone who is ready to learn. If you feel that you are not ready to learn new stuff, if you are not ready to dig into this world and truly give your time to this specific topic and this specific area, if you don't feel the passion to understand how this thing works, trading is simply not for you. I'll be completely honest and say that I believe that 90% of people who start to do trading, they don't understand what they are doing and why they are doing it. And only those people who are ready to dedicate their time to really get the knowledge they really need, only those people have the chance to make trading their life profession, something that gives them the opportunity to raise the amount of money that will help them to live a comfortable life. So believe me guys, once you decided that you want to do trading, you want to understand how it works, you need to dedicate all the time you can possibly dedicate to understand more about it. And once you really do it, once you understand how it works, trading will become the thing that will change your life. Because for me, as I said, I've been doing trading for 6 years. For me, it was life changing, but believe me, it was tough. And why I'm here? I'm here to make your journey not as tough as it was for me. So if you want it, you can learn by my videos, like it and comment it and tell me everything you think. Guys, the result of our second currency pair is exactly what we wanted, and please let me remind you once again that you should not forget to subscribe to our channel. It is such a pleasure for me to see how the number of subscribers is growing every single day, and also most importantly, don't forget to join our Telegram channels. I will keep telling you about this because this will help you to raise more money. Don't forget to join free channel where you can get free signals every single day, and also a VIP channel where people are getting 8 accurate signals per day. We are working to make long-term money and long-term profit. So if you want to be a part of this long-term success, you should for sure join us in a VIP channel in Telegram. So guys, I wish you all to have a fantastic day. Zach from Harvest Shit was with you, and I was glad to make this video for you. Bye bye.